What? Okay. Holy cow, guys. Alright, let's see if we can open this without making a mess. So, I think it's safe to say this thing has some powerful suction action going on. And the race is on. Da-dun, da-dun. Da-dun, da-dun. So guys, to use this right out of the box, switch on the power. This is your power switch. So if you have it there, it's off. When you have it there, it is on. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this robot vacuum. So let's go ahead and show you guys what you get inside the box, and let's see how well it performs. So it comes nicely tucked away, safe and secure in its box. Alright, my fellow shoppers, so you get your power supply, you get a manual, you get an extra brush head, and this is your power station. So this will be where it automatically comes back and recharges. So once this battery gets low, or once it's done cleaning, it will come back on its own and recharge itself. You can wrap your power cable around there. Oh, that's nice. So if you peel this back, you have these little anti-skid pads right here, so that helps keep it nice and solid from moving around. So you got your power button on the top there, and open this up. So this is for cleaning your brush, and also there's a razor inside there for cutting hair out. You got pet hair, human hair, and whatnot. Make sure you guys remove these foam pieces. That's just for protection during shipping. Reset and some other features. Make sure you check out your manual for more information. You guys can also use their app as well. Now you just lift this box up. Here is your filter, and this filter, you just press this red button here, that pops open, and this allows you also to open this section right here, and that gives you access for cleaning this filter right inside here. If you can clean the mesh filter right inside there, and then inside the actual housing unit, you can clean out all the hair and stuff inside there. So very simple, easy to use, and it just slides right down in, and you close it just like that. Alright guys, so I actually thought this was a spare. No, this is actually just the only one that they give you. So this design is definitely a little different than some of the other ones. As you guys can see, normally there are two cleaners. This one has one cleaner on the side, and then you got your center cleaner as well. And you can go ahead and take this off just like that, and pop this out to clean off here if you need to as well. So multiple different ways that you can take this off for cleaning. Your wheels will automatically allow you to go up over things. So let's go ahead and actually test this out. Here we go. So we might have to press and hold it. Let's check the bottom. Sometimes there is a hard on-off switch. See if we can find it. Alright guys, so once it gets power, it's going to automatically
scan the QR code on the robot to download the app and get started.
So you can download the app and you guys can use the app. One thing nice about this one is it's actually compatible with our other charge and base. So this is our charge and base for another one that we have, as you guys can see over here. And I was hoping it would be compatible because we're going to be designing it so it can use multi-charging stations. So that way, you know, we can move it different areas. So as you guys can see, when it starts charging, so we're going to let it charge and then we're going to let it run. I have not cleaned for a couple days, probably 4 or 5 days. So I'm curious to see how well this is going to perform versus some other ones that we have. I actually have multi robots because I love these things, so I'm the best person to review them because I've had this one for like 2 years, and I have one upstairs, one in our basement, and this is going to make another addition. I personally find them so much fun, and I just love using them. You guys can use this with the app or without the app. That is up to you guys. So it's going to be up to you guys. If you don't want to use the app, you just simply turn the power on like we showed you guys. Drop this and let it get to work, and it will get to work. So this is going to be very interesting to see how well it performs. And okay, wow, that was really smooth transition. So as you guys saw, as it got close, it slowed up. So let's see how it does. So it doesn't work kind of like the other ones where if you have a magnetic, if you have a magnetic line, it doesn't stop it. So probably within the app you would do that. So if you have like steps or something and they're open, you might want to open up the app and set it and make a do not enter zone. You can do all that stuff within the app, so make sure you guys check that app out, because it does not work with the magnetic strip. So yeah guys, we're just gonna let it do its thing, probably 15-20 minutes, and then check back and see if it picks anything up and see how well it actually performs. So we're gonna let it go and do its thing. Again, if you have any loose wires or anything, make sure you pick them up. This is common. For example, something like this, if this is hanging down, it could get stuck. So make sure clothing are put away, covers are put away, shoestrings, any wires, anything that is loose, because this will suck it. You know, it will get caught, and that is normal on every single robot vacuum. So that's something you have to do every single vacuum. As it goes over carpet, it actually kicks up into full gear, so you can use this for wood and carpet. If you don't have a smartphone or you don't want to use the app, just simply block stairs with boxes or something and it won't go through. So, you know, it's a simple fix for that. Alright guys, after 15 minutes of cleaning, let's go ahead and check this out, see if we got anything. I don't know if we got anything after 15 minutes, but what? Okay. Holy cow, guys. Alright, let's see if we can open this without making a mess. So, I think it's safe to say this thing has some powerful suction action going on. Wow. Wow. Yep, robot gets a it gets a pass, and a pass means a good thing. Wow, that's impressive.